Hello everyone, welcome to this new tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to install the latest and greatest Cleo cheats in the Android version of GTA San Andreas. Not only the Cleo cheats but also the GTA San Andreas APK Cleo version. Watch the full video until the end and follow all the steps carefully so you don't misunderstand. By the way, this works on all Android devices without any errors or problems. Let's get started. First you have to download Zarchiver from the Google Play Store. And then open the Zarchiver app. Then, open the Android folder. Then, the OBB folder. Tap and hold the Rockstar Games GTA SA folder to rename it. Just add a random letter or number. Tap on OK. Now delete your GTA SA game. Now, go back to the Zarchiver app. Then, open the download folder. Now, extract the GTA SA APK file. Just extract it here. When the unpacking is done, install the GTA SA Cleo APK. Just tap on it and hit install. Now, hit done. Let's finally extract the best Cleo cheats and scripts. Just extract it here, like we did with the APK file. When the unpacking is done, open the best cheats and scripts folder. Now, select everything that is in this folder. Tap and hold, then, hit copy. Open your device storage. Then, open the Android folder. Then, the data folder. Look for Rockstar Games GTA SA folder. Paste them in the Rockstar Games GTA SA folder. If something like this happen, don't worry, we can fix this. If this doesn't happen and you can just open the folder, just paste them. Now, let's fix this. You will have to download the Files app from the Google Play Store. Then, open the Files app that you have installed. Open the folder Download. Open the Best Scripts and Cheats folder. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now, tap New Window. Now, go to one of the windows and hit the three dots. Now, choose the option Floating Window. If that option somehow is not working, choose the option Split Screen. Then, just go to the other window. Now, go to the Android folder. Then, open the Data folder. Then, look for the Rockstar Games GTA SA folder and open it. Now, make the floating window a little bigger and select all files. Now finally, just drag and drop the files into the Rockstar Games GTA SA folder. Now the final step, open the Zarchiver again, rename the Rockstar Games GTA SA OBB folder back to the original name. Now, we are finally done with the installation. Let's open the game. Slide your two fingers over the screen to open the menu. You can see the menu is working perfectly without any errors or lag. If this tutorial video was helpful, please consider to like and subscribe, and hit that bell for more of this content, and leave a comment for any questions or tips. Then I wish you all lots of fun playing. And have a good day, bye bye.